In this video, I want to show you how to use some of the properties over here on the right-hand side of the home tool panel. So the first one is just our different colors. So I've just drawn a bunch of lines in here. I can click on a line, click in the panel, change it to a different color, and we've done that with some of the other stuff. So click, and I can change those colors. Notice whatever you have highlighted, so if I left that one highlighted and clicked the other one, they would both change to that color. So make sure you're careful with that things are, that they only change what you want them to change. The next thing I want to do is we are never going to mess with line weights here. We are going to change our line weights when we print, but we are never going to use this line weight button here. We are, however, going to use line types. So if I click on that button right there, notice that I only have 3. And that's fine, but I want a couple of others. So I'm going to go to the other button. When this dialog box comes up, let's go load a couple of others. And when I click on that, I'll get another dialog box up, and it allows me to scroll down, and there's lots of different types of lines in here, but the ones we want are a center to line. Click OK, and let's go load a hidden to line. Make sure it's hidden to, not the hidden X2. So hidden to, click OK. Now I have some lines I can play with in here, and let's see if we can change some properties. So I'm going to click on my center line, just my green line. I change it exactly the same way I would with a color. I'm going to come down and find the center to line. Maybe this blue one's going to be a phantom line, so let's come down and click on phantom. And maybe this yellow one is going to be a hidden line. As I zoom in, you can tell the difference. The center line has 1 short dash, the phantom line has 2 short dashes, and the hidden line has just a series of dashes. In our class, a hidden line is always going to be cyan, a center line is always going to be green, and a phantom line is always going to be blue. So that's some of our settings for this class and how to change those properties.